That's a little white for a diesel. I wonder if that's a good sign. You might want to follow him. There might be a free one in there for you. Okay, sure. You want to wish happy Father's Day to your dad. This guy here, you don't like your dad. He likes his dad.
Got him on tape, send it to him for Christmas. Once again.
The mighty White Sox did last night. There's a four-point distance shot. No four-point. Okay. If you hit the fence, you win. Alright, watch out, Joey. They're gunning for the snow fence.
Yeah, I'd like to pull my old